Hi everyone, it's Vanessa here, your marketing strategist and funnel creator. So this Ask Me Anything supposed to be a live video, but I just can't get my streaming software working. So I thought I'd just do a recording video. For this week's Ask Me Anything, I've got 3 questions. So it shouldn't take long. So I'll just go straight into it. So the first question I've got was from Donna. She asked, "Hi Vanessa, I know you've been talking about lead generation, and what is the best strategy for someone who doesn't have a lot of have who doesn't have a list or following?" This is such a great question because when you first started, or when a coach or course creator first started their online business, that's normal that they don't have a list or the following. But how do you build it up? It's now, right now, do something. So you start list building. How do you do list building? So you put out valuable content out there to attract your ideal client. So it can be in the form of video, or in the form of blogging, or you put out digital product. It's really depend on your niche. So if you're feeling comfortable in doing video, feel free. The only thing is you have to be able to do it consistently. If you are like, if you can do 1 video, 2 video, but you can't sustain to do, let's say, a video a week, then probably video is not your thing. So if you like writing and you don't mind writing, let's say, 1 piece or 2 pieces of content every week, then maybe blogging is for you. So again, depends on your expertise and what you feel comfortable of doing. And also just to make sure that you promote your freebie or valuable content on your social media channel. So I would say right now at this moment, social media is very powerful. If you're not utilizing your social media channels, you're leaving a lot of money on the table and you are not fully utilize your social channels. Tomorrow, I don't know what will come out tomorrow, maybe another completely platform. Maybe it's not social media anymore. I don't know. But at this point, social media is still very powerful. So you need to know where your ideal clients are, and then you just promote your content and be intentional. What I mean by that is when you accepting friend requests, let's say on Facebook, or if you are friend requesting people, be intentional because you want to attract your ideal client into your circle. I mean, it's good to have families and friends on your social media. That's no problem. But if all you're attracting are your friends and family that not gonna buy from you, then what is the point? So social media channel, unfortunately, now will be the way you're doing business. It's not only for friends and family anymore, right? If you're not using social media to promote your business, then again, you're missing out a lot. So start list building. And so I'm going to say something here. So I actually have a workshop coming out. It's called Lead Magnet in 90 minutes. So you basically can create your first or your next freebie, your lead magnet, in just 90 minutes. So I am going to share more information later, and it's going to start next week. So it's only like a 90 minutes workshop. So I'll put out more information. And the next question I've got was from Paula. "Hi, Vanessa. I am a spiritual coach. I struggle to get paying clients. I offer a lot of value in my group and many freebies, but I am going nowhere. Do you have any suggestions?" Again, great questions. But I will actually have a question for you. You say you put out a lot of content, like in your group, valuable content. So first of all, I would say, are people in your group are your ideal clients? I mean, if they are not, then no matter what you sell, they're not going to buy because they're not your ideal clients. They don't want your content. If you're giving out for free, people might say, "Yep, love it. Thank you very much." But if you want them to put out the wallet and actually pay you for your coaching business, or your coaching course, or for your digital product, they might not do it because they're not your ideal clients. You don't have what they need, right? So first of all, make sure you've got your ideal clients in your group. If you say, "Yes, I've got my ideal clients in my group, they're all my ideal clients. Then the next thing I will look at will be your content. So you think they're valuable content. Maybe they don't think that's the content that they want. So just remember that it's what you think doesn't mean that that's what they think they need. So you have to give something that they need, not something that you think they need. Does it make sense? So, I mean, it's in your group, it's a private group. So feel free to actually ask the questions. Ask your group member, what do they want? Give them a couple of options, not like open question. Never do open questions because people will not actually spend time to answer the question unless you've got super engaging group. Otherwise, give them a couple of choices. Give them something that you want to do as well. Give them a couple of choices, and then they will tell you what they want. Then you can develop like your free content around what they want. I hope that's clear, because sometimes a lot of people actually mixing up about what you think they want and what they actually want. So just to be clear of that. So once you get that clear, I believe that you'll get your paying clients. So the last question was from Sam. Hey, Vanessa, many people are doing 5-day challenges out there in the market. I want to do one, but I'm scared and don't know how to start, or should I even begin? Great question. So a lot of people are doing challenges, yes. So if you ask me whether you should begin, again, I will put it back to you. It's all about your business, where you are at in your business. The reason why people are doing 5-day challenge is because they want to attract the ideal client into their circle. And also with the challenge, because it's 5 days, it's enough time for you to actually build the rapport with your ideal clients and also build the trust like factor. So 5-day challenge, of course, you want to deliver value, but the idea behind is for you to build your authority and credibility. Okay, so if you say, okay, 5 days is a bit too much, I can't do that, not a problem. 5-day challenge is just a name. You can do 3 days, you can do 2 days, or even 1-day challenge, or 5-hour challenge, for example, 3 hours challenge. It's just a name. Okay, but also just be mindful when you do challenges, mindful of people's time. So I will actually go into 2 levels. The first level would be go back to your end goal. What do you want to sell at the end? So normally when people do 5-day challenge, there's something they want to sell at the back. So it could be a coaching program. So if you want to sell your coaching programs at the back, then your challenge, like everyday content, should be related to your coaching course. So you give them the first bit, and if they want to complete everything, like the complete the course, they have to take up your coaching course at the end, right? So you give them something to taste, and then let them know sort of your teaching style, how you deliver the content, and build out the build up the authority and credibility, and then sell your course. So it's you work backwards. And level 2, I would say, even if these people they don't buy your coaching program for whatever reason, maybe not the time, maybe they don't have the money, or maybe they think at this point that the coaching course is not for them. That's okay. But with like after this challenge, even though if they don't sign up for your coaching program, they should be able to achieve something. That is the most important thing. If your audience think that they're getting something out of this 5-day challenge, they will rave about you. They will give you great testimonial because they think they achieved something for free. They really appreciate. They will talk about you. They will refer you to other people. They will praise about you. They will rave about you. They will be your raving fans. Okay, even if they don't join your coaching program. So these people, again, is your ideal client. They are very valuable. You want to keep them in your circle. You keep feeding them valuable content. Maybe you can invite them into your group, and you provide valuable content. And then later, next time, when it's time, they will come to you. When they need what you've got to offer, they will come to you because they already know you. They understand your teaching style. You already build a rapport and trust with them. It's easier for them to come to you rather than going to like a complete stranger. Okay. So I think don't bog down by the name 5-day challenge or everybody's doing it, like you have to do the same. No. I know some coaches out there actually recommend people to do one-on-one challenge if you think 5-day group challenge is a bit too much. I haven't done it myself, but I think it will work. It's just similar to your one-on-one coaching, your 6-week coaching or your pro bono client coaching. The only thing is you just break it down into a couple of days. So each day they achieve something. Again, at the end of the 3 days or 5-day challenge, they achieve something. So one-on-one challenge is fine if you are happy to do that, or if it's more like your style, that's fine. I think the angle is more important than whether it's a group coaching or one-on-one or what sort of challenge. Is at the end, will you be able to help your ideal client? I think that's like most important. And yep, these are the 3 questions. So I hope that I can do this Ask Me Anything regularly, like on a monthly basis. So if you got any questions, I put the link under this video. You can still submit your questions. So it depends on how many questions I've got. I can do it bi-weekly or monthly. So again, any questions, let me know. Fill out the form and I'll answer them in the video. So thank you so much for your time and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.